down the switchback we go. Yeah, this is crazy because of just the height, the sheer height of these is enormous. They go straight up. I mean, that doesn't even look real.
Yeah.
It's like
Wow.
Yeah.
They some France looks like this all covered in snow. How Chamonix they have. Shiny side of them. Now, do you think that's just shiny granite?
That's wet out there.
No, then it just goes back down.
I am.
Yeah. We don't need gas to get back. We're getting infinity miles to the gallon.
See, now we're into the trees.
Yep.
Well, there are some, but they hardly grow. So they call a certain point where the trees aren't growing anymore, the timberline.